G'day! In today's video I've got an old but not ancient Z370i Gaming Pro Carbon 4 board. And what I'm wanting to do is see if I can adapt this cooler onto there as opposed to the factory cooler onto there. As you can see, the copper slug's a bit smaller on this. I'm curious if I can make full contact on there. And I've looked through my collection of old parts and I've got this board here, which looks to be able to mate up to this one. Now, I haven't checked to see if the pitch of it's the same, but it is a bracket of either an air cooler or a water cooler. And it looks to be threading in there. Look at that. Yep. We're screwing in. Considering this has a lot more metal to it, as opposed to the factory heater, or cooler, whatever you want to define that as. Normally they're bin worthy. I want to see if I can adapt it onto here. So the cooler that's sitting there, the fan of it is no good, because it's off an oldie. I think it's off a Dell, this particular one. I'm not seeing a model there, but I'm pretty sure it's off a Dell, and I can just change the fan on top, so that's not really a concern. Granted, the amount of space I've got to screw on is going to be very minimal. So to begin with, I'll put some thermal paste on here, and we'll see how we go. This is just an i3 8100 with, I believe, integrated graphics as well, which if we have that, it'll be perfectly fine for a little media PC. That's gone fine. But here's the next challenge. So hold this up, line up the holes, back through, put them all where they should go. Gonna sit like that. It does give us a bit of room to tighten it up. We are making contact. Right now, this is gonna look promising. Granted, I'll have to replace the fan on top. The cooler is probably going to increase the weight of the board by about double. Hopefully, we can tighten this up. The side seems to be screwing up. So far that's pulling through. Fully tighten here. Fully tighten here. Nicely fully tighten there. It does have a little bit of wiggle room. But overall I reckon the cooling on that will be a fair bit better. It surprisingly fits alright. Double-sided tape, stick it down. Maybe some glue. Let's give this a clean up. And lastly, check out that clearance. Virtually nothing. Look over here, virtually nothing there. Show the CPU, the power supply. Just enough clearance.